the more I watched Nicole's videos, the more I was like, wow, this is like totally me. This is totally something I would do. I can't imagine a better layout. It has been fantastic. My name is Roxanne Davis. I'm in Arlington, Virginia, and my company is Abundant Garden. The focus of my business is installing kitchen gardens and providing coaching and mentoring in the Arlington area. There are lots of families who have big yards and are interested in gardening, and I'm super excited to serve them. I've pretty much done a 180 in my career with garden consulting, but it's still in my wheelhouse in terms of marketing and helping people find solutions to their problems and making things happen in a way that makes everybody happy. I have a client right now who will be installing 10 beds in about a 35 by 35 area, so I'm super excited to get that project going. I had no idea that garden consulting was a thing until I stumbled upon Gardenary. And the more I watched Nicole's videos, the more I was like, wow, this is like totally me. This is totally something I would do. And I was reluctant to sign up for the program, asked a bunch of questions. And then once I pulled the trigger, I was all in, deep diving into the videos. And they provide a step-by-step pathway to starting your Gardenary business. And I can't imagine a better layout. It has been fantastic. So my advice to someone who's thinking about starting is just do it. Just go for it. My goal with garden consulting is to make gardening accessible for everyone. So if you have any special needs in your family, maybe you need higher beds or wheelchair access or children with special needs that you want to work with, or if it's just for you and your specific needs for gardens, I want to tailor your garden to you. And that's my specialty, is making it work. You can find me online at abundantgarden.com, and you can also find me on Instagram and Facebook at Abundant Garden Co.